Guys, welcome back. Hope you're all doing well. I'm also doing well. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Shish. For those who don't know me and for those who are new here, karibuni tena sana. And also for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always sticking by. Thank you so much. And if you're watching and you've not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe as we get to the video. So guys, today I'm just doing rondly. Yeah, I've been having a long day rondly today. So I decided to share with you guys this kajani here. Yeah, so I'm doing rondly, but it's late in the evening. It's at 4 and get to enjoy the video. Hope you're going to be motivated, and to be encouraged. Yeah, so guys, enjoy my video. I love you guys. Huyu hivyo and what? I had a long day. Yeah, so hope you're going to enjoy the video, guys. Please make sure you comment down below. Yeah.
Evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation.
So guys, I'm done doing Rondly. Yeah, and wow, it's too late now. I just want to go feed my baby, and yeah, that's my night today. So hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Yeah, thank you so much for taking your time to come and watch. Thank you so much. I appreciate so much. So guys, let's see you in the next video. Bye.